New Muslim Itikaf.
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 Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name's Ibrahim. I come from Coventry. I'm in Rochdale at the moment at the New Muslim Itikaf, which is a retreat where you spend a bit of time in the mosque with the brothers up here in Rochdale. It's been quite an amazing week, very spiritual. Met some fantastic brothers. I'd encourage anyone who is hesitant in becoming Muslim or hesitant coming to the mosque just to come down, meet everyone, friendly atmosphere, and it's well worthwhile and beneficial. In the last week since I've been here, I've actually been learning quite a lot, but I've been learning from this book here, which is the Madni Qaida, which teaches you to read the Quran. So I'll just give you a little example of where I've got to by the will of Allah. And it's so Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, Dal Zabada, Ra Zabara, Dara, Jim Zabaja, Daraja, Qaf Zirqi, Ra Zabara Qira, Dal Zabada Qirata, Da Ta Tu Zabata Qiratatan.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. As-salatu was-salamu alayka ya Rasulullah wa ala alika wa sahabika ya Habiballah. My dear brothers, my name is Abdul Qadir. I am from Oldham, and right now I am in Fazana Medina, Rochdale, where I took part in 10 days New Muslim Itikaf of Ramadan. I would like to share with you, brothers, some of the things that I learned during my time in here. With not just the Arabic language that I was able to learn from this book, Madni Qaida, I was able to learn as well the rules of the prayer, the mannerisms during the prayer as well. But right now, I can share with you a few things that I was able to learn. Ta zabat ta zeti, ta page 2, tha zabat sa, tha zeti, tha page 2. This is part of the lesson 3. And I will share with you a little bit of what I learned on lesson number 4. Ka, ke, ku, ko, ke, ko. Ta, ti, tu, to, ti, tu. My advice to you is, if possible, try to join us in Fazana Medina in Rochdale. This center, there is brothers around here who can help you and teach you on whatever level of Arabic language, not just that, but when it comes to prayer as well. Because most of us, we know how to pray, but there is some things lack on it. As it was my case, for instance, when I accepted Islam basically 5 years ago, I learned certain things about prayer, and I read 2 or 3 surahs, and for me it was okay, but it wasn't. When I came here, I had an opportunity with the brothers who knows exactly how to pray, and I was able to do that. So if I came here and did it, I know you can do it too. So my invitation is out there. You can come and learn. Jazakumullah.
My name is Muhammad Saeed. I became a Muslim 29 years ago. I've been thinking of coming to Nikat for 29 years now, but this year I've succeeded. I've done it. I've enjoyed it. I've met plenty of brothers. The knowledge I've done in this Nikat for the 10 days is successful. I just wanted to come here to scratch up on my namaz, to see if I were doing it properly or not, to learn a bit more, to try and learn to read the Quran. Inshallah, one day I will be. Maybe when we do this video again, I probably will be, inshallah. And I just want to send a message to Papa Ji that, you know, you're doing a good job over there. All the brothers are doing a good job over here. And it's all one big family. MashaAllah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Noor Mohammed Madani. I've just been spending the last 10 days in itikaf here in Fazani Medina, Rochdale. You've just heard the beautiful examples of other brothers who have taken part in this itikaf, how they have learned so much in learning the Arabic language, and also have taken time out from work to come and participate in this spiritual retreat. Dawat Islami is doing great things worldwide, and you can see that it's only through Dawat Islami and the examples of our Bapa Jan and others within Dawat Islami who have brought these brothers here and have learnt so much. I give you an example really that you should all try and participate in future events with Dawat Islami, because you would learn so much even if you've been a Muslim since birth. So welcome to the New Muslim Center here in Rochdale, and come and be with us anytime so that you may make your deen stronger and your participation in the prayer greater. May Allah Azza wa Jal give you the tawfiq to do this. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.